Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off autocorrect on your iPhone. To turn off autocorrect on your iPhone, the first thing you have to do, you have to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, the next thing you have to do here, you have to tap on general. So let's just scroll down and tap on general here. So let's tap on general. So once you tap on general, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, I want you to scroll down and tap on keyboard. So once you scroll down, you want to tap on keyboard. So let's tap on keyboard here. So once you tap on keyboard, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, you want to scroll down a little bit. You are going to see where it says auto correction. Under all keyboards, you're going to see where it says auto correction. You want to tap that auto correction and turn it off. Once you turn off the auto correction will be turned off on your iPhone. So guys, this is how to turn off autocorrect on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.